20 euro cents 2002 J from Germany, one of the first euro coins minted when Germany switched to the euro in 2002. The letter J under the date stands for the Hamburg Mint, one of the 5 German mints. Germany uses mint marks A, D, F, G, and J to show where each coin was produced, a cool detail for collectors. On the obverse, you'll see the Brandenburg Gate, symbolizing unity and peace after the fall of the Berlin Wall. A powerful image with deep meaning for Germany and Europe. Value in 2025. Circulated coins are generally worth 0.20, but in uncirculated or brilliant condition, it could be worth 1 or more, and if there's a minting error, some rare examples sell for 3 to 10 or higher. So check those euro cents closely, especially the mint marks. You might be holding a hidden gem. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more coin facts every week. Thanks for watching, and happy hunting.